Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Are you hey okay? In your neck of the woods, what up? What up? Manners and respect, man. I your girl, Debbie from Yard. Welcome you all to the Jamaican kitchen. Welcome once more. It is the Jamaican cooking journey. 12 days of Jammas, day number 8. And if you're new right on over here, let me extend a special welcome to you. And thank you so very much for joining the family. Those of you who were there with me from the beginning and you're still here on the journey, manners and respect. Now today this video is about preparing a whole chicken. We're going to be frying a whole chicken. But on this particular video, we're going to show you how to season the chicken. A whole chicken that has been cleaned and it has been thoroughly washed. And you know what happened while I was doing it? I was saying to myself, I should have started the video by showing you how to clean a whole chicken on the in and on the out. But you know what? Thinking again, I think it's enough information. There's enough information on that for me to do a little video on it. And if you'd like to see me do that for you, please comment to show you how to clean, trim, and wash a whole chicken thoroughly on the in and on the out, what you use to do it. I think there's enough information for a video. Okay, so if you'd like to see that, you can leave it in the comment section. Now today I've cleaned and washed and all of that, as I said before. So I'm going to be using that what camera daughter-in-law used. I'm going to be using a little pimento seeds or allspice. I'll show you how I'm going to be using some garlic, some thyme. I'm going to be using lots and lots of scallions, some onions, and some pepper and salt. That's what she used. That's what I saw her use. I got T-far style. So I'm going to go now chop them fine. I've got to chop them fine. Camera girl cannot take because they know the scallions are really strong. So I'm going to go chop them off camera and come back to show you how I'll proceed to rub them up. Also, I'll be using these two peppers. I know you're going to say, Miss Debbie, no man. Them pepper, they go that as well as them not. But it doesn't matter. You know what I learned from what she did? It doesn't matter how hot the peppers are. When that deep fry process takes it, when you're eating the chicken, you only get the flavor, not the eat. Does that make sense to you? I saw her use lots and I will tell us the pepper them round and mama them road. And when they were finished frying the chicken, you get that nice spicy scotch bonnet flavor with the scallion taste, not the eat. Think about it. So I'm going to go now, chop them, come back and show you how I'm going to proceed to rub this chicken up. Soon come. Okay, now family, let me all chop. This is my garlic, this is my onions, my peppers. These are going last, and these are my scallions, okay? And this is some salt. So we're going to fry it all in. So the first thing you want to do is the thickest parts are like the breast and so you want to put like a few slices into the breast. This is a small chicken, and it's whole, so you want the seasoning to go in and also for it to cook properly. So you put a few slices in the breast, and this is a small thigh, leg and thigh, so you put just one right there too. This thigh is not thick. You just put one on each thigh. If it's a bigger chicken, then you would put 2. This is to enable the seasonings to go in too, and also for it to fry easily. So on the backbone here, you give it a few sticks, just to make the seasoning go through and all of that. Just a few sticks in here. Okay. Get my hands inside door. Try rinse it coming out, but angle the chicken now. But I've got to put on my protective gear. She doesn't use any, but she said Miss Debbie, the seasoning is in my hands. I'm gonna get my bag intact and come back. So already family, from back to front. She said, Miss Debbie, the seasoning, it's in my hands. And that's what my mother used to do too. After she make you cut up that seasoning there, she said, pass me that meat. Get me some water, let me wash my hands, or bare hands. But look here. Me and them I get all Sorry. So we're going to be seasoning with a little salt, and also you must remember to put some on the inside this cavity. A little salt inside the cavity. So you can hold it and you can gently massage, because it's small. This one is small, you know, inside the cavity. And a little on the outside. We don't want it too salt. Under the wings and all of that. On top here. So the very first thing I'm going to be using is my garlic. I'm going to be dumping in my garlic, and I'm going to put in my hands also in the cavity. Might not get too much in there, but the flavor will go right in there. Next, scallions. I might not use all of these, especially the greener parts. That's the part I'll be using. And I hope you're all in. Inside the cavity, every single thing you put in. Remember, we are going to be frying this chicken. Now I think I'm going to be putting in these peppers. They may want to act like that, and like one, you know. I'm going to be rubbing it. And also, wow, the pepper family, the pepper. Once the pepper eat it, you have to try it for yourself. When the pepper eat it just now, it was all so different. So we might not need all of our scallions. So look at this. Gonna be bathing this little chicken gently though, you know, in all of this. All of this. Okay? So I'm gonna go bathe it and give it a few more massages, and I'll come back to show you what I'll do next. Okay? Okay, now I've bathed it, so I'm gonna take it. I'm just gonna gently lift my hands in the cavity and put it right inside this bag here. It doesn't really matter, one thing gets in the bag. And all of these goodies, I'm gonna get company now, go lonely down in this bag. Okay? And with these few allspice, and I'm gonna be, the last time she did it, family, somebody was saying, sometimes, you know, sometimes commenting is good, but sometimes I think some people just go overboard. They were saying that she didn't wash her hands after she ate the chicken. I saw the comment, I didn't even pay it any mind. And contamination and what and all of that, but I just didn't pay it any mind. So look here. You want to be doing this. You remember you saw her doing this? Sometimes I don't know if we need to cut the younger people a little slacks. We can't just have one so. You know, sometimes, put the camera for me. Some of us, I think we're too perfect. And when the time of perfection comes, we're never there. But family, if you have anything to say about that, say something. Somebody, they made the comment saying nice seasoning, but then again in the same comment they went on to say something about didn't wash hands and contaminating freezer, all of that. Sometimes I think we just need to slow down. What do you think, family? For the people who does those things, we just need to slow down and support our younger people. So you saw her did this, and this is what directly, this was definitely how hers looked, but it was like not an old chicken. So you know what I'm going to be doing now? I'm going to be like maybe tying this bag. Yes, I can get it tied or get a piece of thing. I'm going to be leaving it inside the refrigerator for another 5 to 7 hours. You can leave it overnight. Overnight will be fine too. So when you see us next on the other video, in part 2 of this video, we'll show you how we'll be removing all these seasons from our chicken, and we're going to be deep frying this whole boy. You know what happened? This is a whole chicken we gotta fry. We have to go now and go look oil for fry it. Bigger chicken, more fowl, more oil. We're gonna go now, look some oil to fry with all of fowl. See you in part 2.